All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another live New York session. It is Wednesday, July the 5th, 2023. And let's see. So before we actually get started, let's go ahead and check the news here. As we can see, we're going to have OPEC meetings all day. So that probably is going to possibly affect price maybe a little bit, but not too much. We have FOMC meetings 2 p.m., but we'll be out in market by then for sure. So we're going to trade gold once again. You know, I love trading gold. So what we're going to do is we're going to implement the G.S.A strategy, which is a mixture of trading ranges and the. So let's go ahead and get started here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on the cheat code indicator and see what price is at on the 1 hour. So we can see that price is trending upwards. Price is wiping out previous highs, looks like at this point. But we wouldn't trade this because we don't have a buy or sell signal outside of the band. So with that being said, let's go ahead and figure out what is the overall trend at this point. It looks like that price is overall bearish. Multiple swing lows are being broken. So we're going to take a trend line. Draw this. So that's what we're going to do. Now we're going to move on to a 15-minute time frame. And now what we're going to look at is we're going to look at the current market. Right. So when we look at the current market, we can see all the way from this swing low, price has been trending upward. Multiple highs have been broken. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a trend line here. And that's what we're going to do. So all we're focused on is just the current market. So now what we're going to do is we're going to draw trading ranges. So we can see that this move started from this swing low and it ended with this swing high up here. And the breaker structure that we see is actually here. Price broke this structure here. So considering that we are in a bullish trading range, we're going to label that and put that here. Then we're going to go ahead and label our trading ranges. So this is our swing low. This is our swing high. Excuse me. And this is our breaker structure. Excuse me, guys, like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our Fibonacci. We're going to go from the most recent low to the most recent high since we're in the a bullish trading range. And we can see that price has already rejected the 50% area here. So it would make sense that price is probably going to come down to this next structure here and then push up. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, first I'm going to label this as our buy zone here. So that way we just know where that point is at. And then I'm going to draw the zone all the way from here to here. That's what I'm kind of looking at. The price has already rejected this area, so I'm probably going to pull back down to this structure and then push out. And that's what I'm thinking. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the cheat code indicator. We haven't gotten the buy or sell signal yet, but that's what I'm going to be looking at. Matter of fact, let me zoom in a little bit so you can actually see price a lot better here. and then we'll push it down like this. So that way we can see price a lot clearer. So we don't have a buy or sell signal at all at this point. But I'm looking for price to actually counter trend sell down to this structure and then buy up. So we have about a little bit over 9 minutes before the 9:15 candle closes. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for that, and then we're going to make our decision on exactly what we're going to do. That way, when the 9:30 candle closes, we'll just focus on price action, and from that point forward, just wait to get the perfect entry in the timing. So be right back. All right, so we have about a little bit over 10 seconds before the 9:15 candle closes. So price has already retested this structure. So I'm planning on doing a buy because I expect price to probably counter trend and come down to this area. So I'm going to be looking for a buy. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to swing. I'm going to look for all the way up to here. Now, price counter trend and comes all the way down to this area. Thinking about buying this much of gold here. So this is going to be TP1. This is what 420 plus. So I'll say 400 plus points. Price wants to continue to buy up. But it's probably going to pull back first. So that's why I'm going to wait. And then ultimately, this is TP2. Which is 500, I would say 500 plus points. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. Looking at price pulling back to this structure here. That's what I'm really looking at. I might actually just draw a line here. I'm going to wait for the 9:30 candle because it looks like price is buying out, but I'm still waiting. So we'll see what price decides. It looks like it's still pushing, but I don't want to make that decision yet. I wanted to pull back. Well, I'm going to look at this shit to buy. Should have waited, but let's see if we can get this one. I should have waited. Things buying up. Looks like it's going to hit my TP. Maybe. We're going to lose $50. So I just made $46. Okay, I'll take that. So it bought up and almost hit my TP. It bought up before the 9:30 candle. Normally I don't do it this way, but it did it. So I'm going to go ahead and just take that for today. So let me go ahead and document my results, and then I'll share the results with you. Be right back. And so I just documented my results, so you can see that from this point, price went up about 400 points and it's still climbing. So I probably ended up getting, I think I got in here and then went up to here, so maybe close to about made about 200 points or close to that. So let me go ahead and share the results with you through the MetaTrader 4. Give me a couple minutes here. So as you can see, this is my live account with NVFX. And then I made $46. So, booyah. So I mean, price shot up, I went ahead and took it. Normally I don't take it before the 9:30 candle, but price just happened to be really generous today. So that wraps it up for our session, guys. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.